expertise, whatever background you have, how you can bring stuff into real estate. Some people know psychology. Some people were a mechanic. Some people were this. And you've dealt with people and you've seen the idiosyncrasies of how you deal with people. You bring that into your real estate transaction and you start getting multipliers on the results that are crazy. I don't know if anything else you can bring 5,000 to the bottom line and it makes the building worth an extra 100,000. I don't know anything else that you have produces cash flow. You put it on the market for sale for hire. And when it sells, you're getting, you stop that cash flow, you're getting more money and you go roll it into something with better cash flow and you can keep repeating it. And the government says you can pay the taxes later. It's just unbelievable. So somebody, I was on Facebook, somebody wrote, I left the United States and went to some country. I'm not going to say the name of the country, not to offend anybody, and says, and I went to this other country and life couldn't be better. And I'm thinking to myself, well, I wonder if they have a car accident, will the insurance pay in that country? I wonder if they go to court, will they actually have good judges and legal rights? Will they have security in their home? What if their daughter go to work in a hotel or something? Will she be sexually harassed? Will they have any rights? Will they have protections? Okay, forget all that. Let's say all this exists all around the world. They want to buy a building. Will they have the loans we have in the United States of America? No. We are blessed to be here. And I don't know how we ended up here. Most of us for different reasons or different circumstances, but we're here. So make the most of where you are. You know, people complain about inflation going up. You know, in Singapore, it's 5% inflation every year. And they have unemployment, they have all this, but the country works like magic. The best political system, case study, bar none, is Singapore. If I leave the United States to immigrate somewhere else, it will be Singapore. I won't leave, don't worry, because again, this is better here. For sure, the big tenants right now, the quick service restaurants like the, you have McDonald's, who is a proven concept, who are extremely powerful and strong. You have the Chick-fil-A, who is just killing it right now. Try to get these big brands in good locations. Even if you get a lower amount right now, it's going to be easier when you're ready to sell them. As the market gets tougher, there will be demand, more flight to safety on these. Now, there are some exceptions from previous students like Stephen Yu, who's not on this call, but he's an old student of mine from the 90s. And Stephen Yu, for example, the last 1031 exchange he did was in the Midwest. It was a Burger King, and it was a franchisee who had 17 locations. So it was paying closer to 8%. He is so happy with it. They pay him on time. They've been paying him. They'll continue to pay him. The franchisee is very strong, but because it's a franchisee, not a corporate tenant, they were not at 5.5 or 6. They wanted 7.5. And through a small negotiation he did, I said to him, just ask 8 and stay quiet. He said, I got very nervous with negotiation. I said, Stephen, you don't have to negotiate. Just ask for 8 and stay quiet. And sure enough, on the call, he said, 8 is all I want. I want 8% cap. He got the deal. The franchisee is in there. Everybody's happy. So you have the chance to look at these quick service restaurants that are solid and growing and don't take anything less than 10 years. Those are solid. You're going to have peace of mind for a long time. Or look at the ones that are franchisees with multiple locations that will pay you a little bit more on their end.